utility tool. It is a command line utility tool. It is a command line utility tool. By using the Zenmap, we had to scan the target. So here I want to do the scanning. Another tool that is called as a Zenmap. Instead of Zenmap, we'll go for the other tool that is called as Zenmap. That Zenmap. I just type here Zenmap. Zenmap is a graphical version of the Nmap. You understand? Nmap is a command line utility tool. By using the Nmap command, by running the Nmap commands, we can do the scanning, isn't it? Then here I want to do the scanning. That is the scanning. Here this Zenmap is a tool which is a graphical version of the Nmap. It is a graphical version. Whereas Nmap is a command. All the Nmap you need to type the commands only. Here we use the Zenmap. Okay, this Zenmap is a graphical interface of the Nmap. Here go to the Zenmap website. Here one option is there, download. I am going to do scanning with the help of the Windows. Previously I had done a scanning using the Kali Linux. Now I am using the Windows. Here there is a one tool is there, that is alternative tool for Nmap. It is a Zenmap. Zenmap is also a one of the version of the Nmap. It is another version of the Nmap. Nothing but it is a graphical version of the Nmap. Here go to the Windows. Here go to the window. Here in this one we need to download. Here we need to download the Windows. Here an option is there. This one. We need to click on this one. We need to click on this one. And it will be downloaded. So the Nmap will be downloaded. Got it? Here this option where we can download the Windows. Okay? Got it? You have Nmap there in the in our Termux also. Termux also you can install. Okay, I downloaded a what? Nmap. See this Nmap, this is downloaded for Windows. It is also known as what? Zenmap. Okay, I just go here, show to the folder, and I am going to install this one. Which one? This one. I am going to install this one. Which one? Zenmap. Okay. So for this one, just click yes here and here, yes here. I think already previous version is there. It asking for the uninstall the previous version. I don't want to uninstall the previous version. Here just double click and select next. Select next. Now the Zenmap is installed. So what is this Zenmap? It is a graphical version of the Nmap. It is very easy. You don't need to write down the command. You don't need to write down the commands. So this is the Zenmap. See this is a Zenmap. Okay. What does mean Zenmap? Zenmap is a tool which is a tool. It's a tool. This tool can use it for do the scanning. It is also a Nmap tool, but this is the graphical version of the Nmap. This is the graphical version of the Nmap. Here I want to do the scanning. There is a target is there. There is a target is there. There is a Metasploit Linux. Okay. So there is a target is there. There is a Metasploit Linux. So the target IP address. Just type to know the IP address of the target if config. So what is the target IP address here? The target IP address is 192.160.0.126. I want to scan this vulnerable machine. I want to scan this this computer, this device. So then I go here, I open here. The target is 192.168.0.126. What is that? 0.126. When I type here, automatically what happened here? Automatically chosen the command. So what is my T4? I will explain. What is my T4? The command is automatically taken. Whom? So this Zenmap. Here there are types of scan are there. Here you can check here types of scan are there. One is the intensive scan. Second is the intensive scan plus UDP. Intensive scan TCP port. Intensive scan no ping. Ping scan, fix scan, all these are the scan. Which scan you want to do? I want to scan only UDP port. Where to know the UDP ports for scanning? Nmap -s U. For do the TCP scan -s T. Here you don't need to select any command. You don't need to type any command. Instead of that, there are the options are there. You just select this one. You just select this one. Okay, got it? After that, you have option is there, scan. Okay, scan. That's it. You don't need to know any command. You don't need to know any command. Okay. Anybody having a problem with login? All the people are login. I think 162 people are login. Okay. Anyone having a problem issue is there? Yes, yes. So now just scan here. See this. Scan the report and show the open ports. Show the open port. Understood? So this is the output. This is the output. This is the Nmap output. Got it? Got it? This is the Nmap output. Okay now? I scanned one IP address. I scanned one IP address. What is the IP address? The target IP address is Nmap 160.0.126. Got it? So this is the way to use the Nmap. I want to scan a network. So how will you know the network address? In the previous class I had explained what is the network address. Here my computer, our network address is this one. So that this is network address. I am going to scan the whole network. I want to scan the whole network. So I just given the whole network address, and I am going to do the scanning. Here one option is there, which scan you want to select. Whether the ping scan, whether the regular scan, whether the quick scan, which scan you want to select. So whatever the scan you need, you need to just select that scan. I am just selecting here the enter scan and just click on the scan here. When I do the scan, it will scan the whole network and show the result for the whole computers which is connected to your network. Okay, so this is showing the all computer open ports. See this report. Got it? If you are facing any problem, with the Nmap to understand, then you can go further. Instead of typing the commands, you just go for which one? Zenmap. Got it? This is a scanning tool. Okay, is it clear? Just go to the Zenmap and type the target IP address. Which scan you want to do, you can select your appropriate option. Done. The next thing is there. What is the next thing is there? And the next thing is nothing but another tool that is called as a Angry IP Scanner. That Angry IP Scanner. What is the next tool? Angry IP Scanner. It is there on a Google Play Store also. It is there on a Play Store also. Here Angry IP Scanner is the original IP scanner for Windows and Mac Linux. Angry IP Scanner is open source, means you don't need to pay any license. Cross-platform, any operating system, designed to fast and simple. It scans the IP address and the ports. There is another tool is there. I just go to the Angry IP Scanner. Okay, here one option is there. This option. Which one? Windows installer. Click on this one and download. Okay. So now downloaded. So you just go to the installation. Simple installation is not a big issue. Just select the software and just click next. Just click next. It will install. Okay, got it? So that is the what? Angry IP Scanner downloaded and add install. Once I done, the Angry IP Scanner is already installed on my computer. Go to the Angry IP Scanner. Here, you don't need to. Here, I want to scan a particular range, or I want to scan a particular computer. I want to scan the whole network. See this. The options are there. Here, I want to scan the whole network. That network will start from where? From this is the network, this is the network address, this is the broadcast address. This is the network address. I think hope you understand network address and broadcast address. From this address to I want to do the scanning for whole network. Understood or no? Okay. I want to scan the whole range. If you want to scan the only single computer you can enter here, the single computer only. Single computer only. I want to do the scanning. So Nmap it takes more time, but the Angry IP scanner this is takes very less time and show the all open ports and services. Got it? What does it show here? What does it show here? See this. It shows IP address. It shows HTTP proxy. It shows the packet. So the MAC address, TTL, comments, NetBIOS information, web detect, ping, and a computer name or host name. These are the things it will show. Which one? Angry IP scanner. Here we can add this which need to be scanned. What are the things you need to be know that information we can manage here also. Here you are having a manage here. If you see this, I just want to select all this thing. Okay, if you want to select, if you want to scan only few things, you can remove here. Again, I want to select here, then select here. If you do this one like this one, send this side, send this side. Got it? It will scan only this thing. It will scan only this thing. Got it? Okay. Understood? Where in the fetchers? If you want to do scanning all the things, you just select here and click on this left arrow button. Left arrow button. Got it? So then here, then okay. Now here, this is the Angry IP scanner. I had enter the entire network range. In my entire network range, and just click on the start. Click on the start. So what does it show? Same thing as a Nmap, but Nmap take more time. This will take very less time. What this means? Question mark means the live is not active. Live is host is not live. Live ledu adi. Switch off. Which one? Question mark. And see this red mark. Blue mark means live. Means that host is active. Host is active. Okay, target is active. All this red mark means not live. So wherever this blue mark, see this shows. You see this. So now done the scanning. See this. Quickly done the scanning. Previously Nmap taken so much of time, but this one taken a very less time. Very less time. So now doing the scanning, and displaying the results. Okay, got it? Got it? Done? Wait. Entire range are scanned, and how many computers are there? I told you that 0.0 to 256. How many computers are there? In class C airport is 254. How many hosts are live? How many computers are live? Just maximize this. In my network, how many computers we can connect? 254. In this way, right now, how many hosts are live? 68. So with the open ports are only how many? 8. Okay. See this result. Every computer. Suppose this computer is there. There is one computer is there. See this result. If you see the result, this mark is a live, and this is a packet loss. This is the packet loss. This is a packet loss. There is a 50% packet loss. There, some of them having 0% packet loss. The MAC address. This is the NetBIOS information, and ping to check the connectivity. How much time is taking? This computer is taking so much of time. See this. Okay. So wherever the ping time is less, means that this here ping time, and this is the computer name. See this. This is the computer name. This is the target name. Okay, and these are the ports. What are the ports are open in the target? And what are the MAC vendor? Who was the vendor? Means manufacturer of the computer. And any filter ports are there. What is that? Filter ports means like have a firewall is there that will restrict to do the scanning. These are the filter ports. And TTL, HTTP sender, and all this information shows by the Angry IP scanner. Okay, understood? Understood or not? So what are the tools we had covered? One is the Nmap. What is the what? Nmap. And what is the next tool is there? Zenmap. What is that? Zenmap. So another tool is there? Angry IP scanner. So that is the part of the scanning. Got it? That is